My experience from this BIP is a very good one because we came here, met a lot of new people and made some friends, and we are here to cooperate and create a new concept. So that's the purpose of it, and learn more things about what we study.
The BIP program is a great experience, and I'm very glad that I have the chance to be part of it. And it's amazing to see new stuff and learn new skills, and also to collaborate with people around the world. I learned to use equipment that I haven't used before related to my studies.
The experience from BIP was wonderful. I learned a lot of things. I learned how to communicate with different cultures. I learned how important is for everybody to get together and make a dream work.
The BIP was about making a wheelchair, and that was the way we got into it. But it was, in the end, it felt like it was about the experience we have as a team with the different cultures and trying to be more out of your comfort zone. Making friends is also a very big part of it.
And the three main takeaways I've took from this experience to my academic life is, first of all, filling the gap between theoretical and practical knowledge, so actually getting some hands-on experience that's obviously useful for the future. Then also communicating with people from different disciplines and being able to form an interdisciplinary team where we all complement each other's lacks and share our virtues. And then also time management and leadership, because we've had to arrange ourselves and distribute our time because we were free to do so to end up with a project. So I think this will be really useful in my academic and also professional life for sure.
If I had to say three things, I would say first that working in a multidisciplinary group helped us have a wider vision of many aspects that we are specialized in one degree, but we learn a lot about how the other parts of the project work. Also, second, I would say that we are actually doing something, a project that helps people. And third, I would say that you get to know new people, that you have that contact, and they're amazing for the rest of your life.
I think that this was a good experience to our team and for me especially because I study mechanical engineer. So being able to make a real prototype and using tools and learning how to manage a real project was very fine for me because I haven't got the opportunity to do it as well in the career. So now I'm really glad to be here.
This one has been the great opportunity to grow more in our lives and lives on professional life, can I say, because we have here people from different countries, different culture is the most important for us because the project needs different point of the views because this one is important for growth and to concentration our project.
So the great aspect of this BIP was that I could learn how the other people in other countries manage projects and how they deal with a problem because it's not the same approach. So I think that we learned a lot, we worked a lot, and we became a really great team from knowing each other just one week. So I recommend this experience for everyone.
Dankjewel, ESTG en PDF.
Gracias, ESTG and PDF.
Ευχαριστούμε, STG και PDF.
Muchas gracias, ESTG and PDF.
Obrigado, STG e PDF.
谢谢 ESTG και PDF.
Σας ευχαριστούμε, PDF and ESTG.
Ευχαριστούμε STG και PDF for having us. Thank you so much.
Dankjewel, ESTG en PDF.
Obrigada, STG e a PDF.
Gracias, ESTG y PDF.
Muchas gracias, ESTG y PDF.
Ευχαριστούμε PDF και ESTG.
Obrigado a STG e PDF.